Hello, my name is Ms. Lisa. I'm an art and origami teacher on the learning platform Outschool, which is for ages 3 to 18. This origami fold that I'm going to do is a prerequisite for my Advanced Origami ongoing class. You should be able to fold this on your own and without help from anyone. It should feel pretty easy to do this. So I am going to start with my paper like this, and I'm going to fold it in half. So this is actually how it looks in my classroom. I have one camera that faces me and another one that faces towards my table and my hands. So it's easy for you to see all of the steps. Okay, I'm going to flip it over like this. Now we're going to fold it this way. So this, what we're folding is not going to result in anything. This is just different ways to fold it to see if, you know, how easy this is for you. So I want to hold it like this. And what we want to do next is fold this in so that this line edges up at the center crease. And the same thing on this side. Next, we want to fold this down. Now what we're going to do is lift this up and back, and it's going to fold right here on this crease that we just made. And then we're going to collapse this. And same on this side. Just fix that a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. I'm going to fold this up. So in Advanced Origami Club, we're going to be doing very complex folds with many steps, and it will be challenging. So not only will we be doing something like this, but there'll also be many steps on top of this. So you really should have lots of experience folding origami on your own. Okay, so now we're going to open this up, fold it back on this little crease, collapse this, and squash it. I also have 2 other origami classes that are ongoing. I have a Creative Origami Club for ages 7 to 10, and that's level 1, that's easy. And then I also have Creative Origami Club level 2, that's more of an intermediate class, that's for kids ages 8 to 11. And this one is Advanced Origami for kids 8 to 11. So I hope this helps you determine if you're ready for the class. If you have any questions, you can message me, and links to all the classes are below in the description.